Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another 5700G build. This will be another build for music production. The cost for the PC is around 60k. I would request you to check the link in the description box below for exact price. Both Amazon and our website links are given there to get exact price on the day which you are watching the video. So let's begin with the processor. As I've told you, this is a 8-core 16-thread processor available for around 28,000 rupees, which is a value for money, and it doesn't require a GPU to run a PC. Also, you can play pretty much every game at low settings to medium settings. This does pretty well. The integrated GPU is really nice, and this is what we have for the processor. For the motherboard, we have got Asus B550M plus Wi-Fi. This is tough series, and this is really nice motherboard for around 15,000 rupees. The 5600G, 5700G and all 5000 series processor works out of the box, so nothing to worry about the BIOS. And again, the links are given in the description for this. For the RAM, we are going with Corsair Vengeance 3600 MHz. This is 16GB single, so we are using only one RAM in this build, and later another 16GB would be added as per customer requirements. He don't want to go with 8x2 RAM, he wants 16GB for now, another 16GB he will be adding it shortly. So this is what we have for the RAM. This is WD Black SN750SC. This is 1TB NVMe Gen 4 SSD. Got a read speed of 36 megabits and write speed of 2860 megabyte per second. This is what we have got for SSD Gen 4, and the price is really attractive, 8200 rupees as per today's price, and again the links are given in the description box. And for the power supply, we have got Corsair CV650. As you know, people who buy 5700G, 5600G, they usually put a graphic card in future, so they want a power supply to be future proof. This will allow you to install 1650, 3050, even 3060. So these all cards can be used using this power supply. So this is what we are using, future proof power supply, and this is a value for money, Corsair CV650 bronze. For the cabinet, we are going with the 511 Max. This is from NT Sport. This is around 4900 rupees. Again, the links are given in the description box below for both Amazon and our website to check them out. This has got 3 USB port on the top. It has got the reset button, the LED button, and also a power switch. So dedicated reset button is there on NT Sports, this model. Also, this gets lit up very nicely, and this has got tempered glass, 4 pre-installed fan, all are ARGB. So this is what we're going to use for the cabinet. Now let's just go ahead and begin the PC build, and I will catch you after the build is done. Alright, we are done with the PC build. This is performing absolutely nice. We have done some benchmark tests and it was fine. The PC is ready to ship and I believe it is going to Jammu, right? Yeah, it's going to Jammu. Yeah, I hope the user enjoys the PC and makes some good music production, as it is being made for music production. One thing to add on, always remember, if you are using a Vega graphics, if you're using a processor which has integrated GPU like the G series, okay, so 2400G, 3400G, 4650G, 5600G, 5700G, all the processor with ends with a G, you have to add a software from the AMD official website, and that is really required. I hope you have liked the video. Do subscribe our YouTube channel, as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment box below, or you can contact techmartunbox.com. On the contact us page, phone number, email ID and the chat options are there. So yeah, that's about it. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye. Take care.